Rubber game of the series between the Tigers and Yankees in the Bronx. Masahiro Tanaka on the hill going up against Jordan Zimmermann. After a rain delay at the start of this one, eventually they get going. First inning, Justin Upton shoots one down the line. Ian Kinsler comes in to score. The Tigers take a 1-0 lead. In the fourth, James McCann with the base hit. Jacoby Ellsbury having all kinds of trouble with this one. An error allows a run to score. The Tigers go up 2-0. That's your score in the sixth. 2 runners in scoring position. Zimmermann gets D.D. Gregorius to pop out. Then Matt Holliday flies out to center. Zimmermann 1 out away from escaping the threat. He strikes out Chase Headley. Zimmermann is fired up. The rains would come between the 7th and 8th inning. The pitchforks come out over a 3-hour rain delay. Eventually they resume. Not many fans left. Shane Green strikes out Todd Frazier to end the game. The Tigers win for the 4th time in 5 games, blanking the Yankees 2-0 in a game that featured 4 hours and 37 minutes worth of rain delays. Brett Gardner extends his hitting streak to 14 games in the loss. Up next, the Tigers visit the Orioles Thursday, and the Yankees are in Cleveland.